So we're going to do a quick review. I got a speed check on the fans and a noise checker on the other. We're going through all the speeds on all these different models. And we're going to start with the LEVOIT 400. All right, you can see this is the sleep speed. Sound is pretty low. This is setting number 1. Can you see the speed and the sound? Quick increase to number 2. That's 3. That's 4. Okay, we're going to do a quick air flow and sound check on the LEVOIT 600. Power on. This is our fan speed for number 1. Can you see the numbers there? Sound. I'm going to go to number 2. Very gradual. Give you an idea. 3. A lot of speed on that one. That's your high setting. We're also going to include the sleep mode. And you can see this fan speed on that is quite quiet. Definitely on the quiet side. I'll be quiet. You can see the reading. We're going to do the LEVOIT Vital 200 fan speed and sound check. If you can bring it in real close, you can see I've already got it on sleep mode. Fan speed's around 11 or 12, and there's your sound, whisper quiet. We're going to take it up to level fan speed. I'll start with 1. That's 2. Instantly hits the 23, 24. 3. There's your sound, and then the loud one. Full speed, almost at the 40 mark. All right, so we're going to do a co-way check on the fan speed and sound check. I got it already set on the eco mode. You can see the fan speed, because it's condensed to one area, is already up at the 30 mark. Sound is quite quiet. Auto 1 by itself. 2. Very powerful. Again, the reason we're seeing speeds of up to 100 on this machine is because all the air is coming out of one small vent, just on this one side, not even the whole thing. So a lot of purified air blowing straight up from there. Okay, we're looking at the Blue Air fan speed and sound. I've got it set on sleep mode right away. You can see it's whisper quiet. And the speed is right there. I'm going to take it up just to 1 speed. All the air is blowing up the top, so it's quite... That's 2. 3. And the top setting. So it's kind of a tricky reading. The surface area here is quite big and it's blowing out all of the area. On this unit, it's all condensed into one. So it may seem like the fan speed's higher, but it's actually just more dispersed on this machine. We're going to do a quick fan speed and sound check on the Dyson model right here. Our first setting is going to be the sleep mode. We got 2 slots on the machine, so it's not dispersed over a large area, but it is on both sides. This is the first setting. And the sound setting. Okay, we can see the machine's going to go up in level. That's 2 with the fan. You can see the speed. There are 10 levels. There's 3. See the sound. Very quiet. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A lot of speed on this one. It's always hard to get an accurate reading when you're looking at different types of disbursement of air. Remember, this one comes out from 2 different sides, and other ones are covering a whole area or even a smaller area. But the 2 different sides is we were able to check what was going on. Quick recap. As you could tell, we were able to get pretty different readings. Remember, these different units have a large area that they're trying to blow all that purified air out of. This one shows a lot higher because it's only got one small area where it's blowing all that air. This one as well, both sides over a larger area. But overall, I think they're blowing quite hard. All right, so if quietness is important to you, these two units, the Blue Air, the Dyson model, extremely quiet, extremely powerful, great devices. So these three units here, obviously it was, powerful fan speed, but they're just a little bit louder, but quite powerful. This one was extremely powerful because it's forcing all the air out of one particular vent. So that's why it seemed like it was the loudest, but they're all extremely powerful devices.